Hi everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. What a beautiful day today. I'm standing outside of a 16 by 76. We call this the Howe. And look how cute this part is. This is a dormer. And in this dormer, you get the peak and also the shake siding. And they took a classic color, white, added some pewter, or what we used to call a cottage gray shake around the door. And then we've got some black shutters. So an interesting play on the colors here. Can we talk about a couple things? I'm having a party September the 19th. We're gonna have an open house where we will showcase all the newest show homes that we have created when we redesigned and rebuilt the lot. And also some special deals and some free giveaways as well. If you'd like to come and visit me during that open house, I'll put you in a really nice hotel. Give me a call, DM me, text me. Just get in touch. I'd like to talk to you. Another thing, if you like the videos that I produce, please like and subscribe. I put out new videos, a couple of them at least every week, so that you can see the latest and greatest in Champion homes. When I went inside of this baby, there's a few interesting things that we don't see every day in a single wide. Now on the outside, notice this must be going on a regular foundation because they left the bottom strip of the siding. So that's all I noticed really from the outside, along with this beautiful dormer. But when we get inside, ooh la la, this home is called the Howe. Bright colors from the outside are going to carry right in through to the inside of the home. Walking into the front door, we've got a wide open living room space, and look at all these windows. Wow, I love how they took the windows and doubled them up. So the standard windows would be 1, 1, 1, but they doubled them up. These sizes, they kept the regular 30 by 61s, but over across the street here, they enlarged these two windows, enlarged the standard and added another one. And I think that's just a great feature. If I stand back and look at the living area, look at all the light. Boom, 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 boom. Even down in the hallway, you can see that the natural light just really brightens things up, makes it a little more cheery. On the floor, we've got a Thunder linoleum carried on with the white in the kitchen. And this is interesting. So let me show you the difference here when you have a standard wall of a Casper cashmere. That's a VOG 3/8 inch thickness on the drywall behind the VOG vinyl. So that's why it's called VOG, vinyl over gypsum. Vinyl is the wallpaper, gypsum is the drywall. And then we offer an accent wall available in a couple different patterns. And this one happens to be called Sesame Chateau. If you were to be able to touch it, you would feel that it's textured as well. But I love what they did with the color play here, with the pastels and the pastel colors, the light tans in this countertop, and paired it with the Sesame Chateau. And then took a backsplash of bright ice and really just pulled from all of the different colors there, and especially from the white in the countertop. Now, normally when you walk into this floor plan, let's get a good view of the kitchen. You only have from here on. They've added a Butler pantry, and what a nice feature and a great way to create some more storage. This is going to be on a hinged door that is kind of a bifold open door on both sides. And when you get inside, you've got countertop, spice rack, storage. And then when you get in the bottom, you're going to have pull-out shelves down there. So what a great way to create some more storage and make it look really nice as well. Soft close drawers are available in the kitchens and baths. That's always an option. They took the cabinets to the ceiling, added some black cabinet handles, and this kitchen just turned out great. Even though there's no electric going on in this home at the moment, because this is ready to be shipped out, when I flip it up there, can you see them? Look at all those can lights. Looks like the bottom of a UFO would look, right? They're everywhere. Please don't mind me. It's the end of the day, and I've been staring at a computer all day. Can you guys relate? Here we go into the utility room or the laundry area. Got some washer dryer cabinets and a 9 light in the back door that's really going to let some natural light in to that laundry area. You do have the option to add an optional door here if you'd like. It's kind of 50-50 whether people add them or not, but that's always an option. Headed into the primary bedroom. We're going to stop by in this little short hallway here, and you are going to see a pantry. So we've got the Butler pantry over there, and then we also have a door pantry here. So nice feature and definitely great for more storage. Here in the primary bedroom, they're carried on with the accent wall all along the bedroom wall. So I think that's a great feature as well. And I love it because it's light, right? We have another accent wall that is about the same color as the floor. So in this case, and with the colors that they chose, this was the perfect accent wall. 16 by 60 transom window up there. That window is gonna let lots of natural light in. Over here, of course, we're always gonna have the egress window. And then here is your closet where it's gonna hold the water heater as well. Boom. And then heading over to the primary bath. Kept this one pretty simple. Carried on with the accent wall in here. We've got Lysola on this countertop. Remember when we were just in the kitchen, that was Bella Romano. So doing different things and letting your creativity shine is the beautiful part of buying a Champion home. A 14 by 40 window that's gonna open and let some air through your bathroom and also natural light. 3-bulb light strip at the top. Hello. And then walk-in shower behind me. Now heading over to the other end of the home. This is a 16 by 76, by the way, 1,153 square feet, one of the largest single wide floor plans that we make. You're gonna see a transom window in the hallway. And I'm always a big fan of that. At least put something at the top there to light up your home and your hallway. Here's bedroom number 2. To step in a little bit to see the full size of the bedroom. Bath number 2 coming right up. Standard tub shower, 019, and then the regular vanity. And last but not least, bedroom number 3. A little bit bigger than bedroom number 2. Closets are the same size. There you have it, folks. Again, I'm begging you to like and subscribe if you like the videos that I put out. I get lots of people watching the videos, but we want to make sure you see what's new every week. So hit that subscribe button and don't forget to call me about the open house. It's going to be a pretty cool event. As always, thanks for watching.